Want to know the other fastest way to combine names into one cell? Watch this. Press the equal sign, click the cell of the name you want to go first. Then press and symbol to put comma type quote comma space unquote. Then again and symbol. Click the cell of the next name then and symbol. Next quote space and quote. Then and symbol, click the cell, hit enter. In this next trick, you want to put 0 to all blank cells. Don't do that. Instead, press Ctrl-A, then F5. Click Special and Blank. Click OK. Type equals 0, then press Ctrl-Enter. Now all blank cells were filled with 0. In a hit. If you like this video, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Now let's delete the rows with blank cell. Press F5. Click Special and click Blank. All the blank cells are highlighted. You may now press Ctrl-. Click Entire Row. Ta-da! All deleted. This last trick will surely make your work faster and will make you look like pro. Now this hide column like this. By doing this. But here's the trick. Select the column you want to hide, then press Ctrl-0. To unhide, highlight the column, then press Alt-0, U. Hope you learned. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.